Yo, it is Gucci, everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on the Brand Flakes TV. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This video is going to be a unboxing from Stockx. This is my first pair of Nike off-white sneakers, I guess I can say. If you guys want to leave a comment and guess on what's inside this box, go ahead and do so. But yeah, so this is my first off-white purchase ever. Let's just hop into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, so like I said, this is my first pair of off-white sneakers. This box is from Stockx. I've had this for about 2 weeks now, and I've been waiting for 2 weeks to open this just because I wanted to wait for the right time to film this video. So let's just go ahead and hop into it and unbox these shoes. I'm actually really excited to see these. I haven't seen this colorway in specific in person, but I have seen another colorway in person. I don't want to give it away yet, so let's just unbox this for you guys. I'm sure you guys can already guess what is in here based off the box. I'm not going to show that. The Stockx tag. Let's just unbox this right here. I'm actually super excited to see these. I don't know where that box went, but yeah, so here you guys go. I'll let you guys look at the tag. I already know what this is, obviously, so you guys can go ahead and look at that. Alright you guys, so let's see. You got the nice beautiful yellow paper. Bam, there you guys go. Off-white. Doesn't say anything about Nike, but it says off-white. And bam, here you guys go. I got the UNLV Dunks. These honestly look tried on, or something happened here. But I'm not too mad about that. Just cause I say that because this is like super loose. I'm sure it's a lot different on here. Yeah, see, it's like tightened. I don't know. Alright you guys, so just jump start or jump clip on the video, my bad. But here you guys go. Here is the off-white Nike Dunks in the Ohio State. I like to call these the UNLV just because I go there. I'm not gonna hype up UNLV like it's a great school, but unfortunately I do go there, and these are the same colorway as, you know, our colors at school. So I'm just gonna call these the UNLVs. If you guys hate me for that, I'm sorry. But I do live in Vegas, so this is kind of cool, I guess. I don't plan on wearing these anytime soon, but I do want to wear these to graduation when I do graduate, whenever I get my credits up. But yeah, so there you guys go, the UNLV Off-White Dunks, my first pair of off-white sneakers. Personally, I feel like these are the best out of the three, and then it would go the green pair and then the Michigan pair, but I probably want to only get the green pair and then this pair if I do end up copying another pair of these. But yeah, so super excited about these. Really nice. I do plan on keeping them with the cables on there. I know some people have been taking them out, but yeah, so boom, there you guys go. I feel like these are like tried on or worn or something. I don't know what's wrong with these, but yeah, whatever. Alright you guys, I just wanted to film a quick pickup video for you guys. Honestly, these are tried on or worn or something, or I feel like tried on, because the idiot who did this didn't even, I don't know why Stockx considers this dead stock, because I don't think the laces come like this. I'm not too sure exactly. I'm just saying that's how I feel about it, because these are already tied like they were tried on. Someone probably went ahead and got a IG pic and then ended up selling them. Fake flex, but whatever. But yeah, so there you guys go. Alright you guys, so that wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my quick unboxing and my nice little pickup with these nice off-white sneakers. Let me know what you guys think about these. Leave a comment down below. I like to hear from you guys down in the comment section. And then also hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and then also follow the web store. I appreciate you guys when you guys make purchases, or at least just follow the Instagram page. But yeah, so more videos to come. Thank you guys. If you guys didn't watch the Denver vlog, go ahead and do so. And yeah, so catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Alright you guys, if you guys are watching to the end of this, I don't know if you guys do or whatever. If you guys do, I love y'all. But I just tried these on. I laced them the way I wanted to. But trying these on, if you guys are still watching and if you guys care, I did go 9.5, which is what I wear in my ones. And then in basketball shoes, I wear a size 10. So I went 9.5 in these, and they actually fit perfectly. I feel like if I went a 10, they would have creased a little easier, I guess you can say. I'm not the one that really cares about creasing like that, but I'm just letting y'all know how I feel about sizing. And yeah, so thank you guys for the support, and if you guys are watching to the end of this, y'all are the best. Catch you guys in the next one.